There is a simple solution to this expansion of the Southwestern Railways. You have the Konkan Railway and the Southwestern Railway converging at Uttada near the Uttada Our Lady of Lourdes Cemetery. The railway authorities just have to put a station over there. They can do the idling of the freight trains, and the changing of tracks from Konkan Railway to Southwestern Railway can be done at Uttada. It just requires a little systematic planning. There is no need to tamper with this existing Southwestern Railway. Keep it as it is. The railway authorities should consider the option of making a small station at Uttada where the Konkan Railway and Southwestern Railway tracks meet. At the moment you see two goods freight trains halted over here at this tracks, and for the last 45 minutes we are trying to cross this tracks. We are not in a position to cross. The Southwestern Railway has failed to give us a simple pedestrian bridge to go from the west to the east. It's getting really difficult, and in an emergency it's even worse.
It will affect me directly. As you can see over there, the tree is over there and the compound is beyond. The compound wall will have to be broken. And naturally, no one would be happy in such a situation. We're going to damage the house. I don't say this, I'm not speculating. My grandmother filled up the arches on the advice of an architect about 30 years ago or more. And now with the tracks coming even closer to the house, one thing is certain, these heritage houses are going to get damaged.
I mean, how can they not think about the fact that a double rail line can cause will cause so much damage to houses that are nearby. Look is what is, as it is, we have one track. If you go to see one track, and the amount of vibrations that cause the house, the amount of cracks that are coming onto the house. Why are the government not taking up these issues? Why are respective MLAs of this place not taking up these issues vociferously? I think we need to really come out and tell this government that you don't know how to do your job. And this is precisely what is happening with every single project that this government is planning to bring about.